Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku 4 with 4 stars. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, yes, Friday, July the 29th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star, 3 stars. 3 puzzles are left, the 4 stars, the tectonic, and the binary. It's time for the 4 stars puzzle. The puzzle before, the previous puzzle is a hard one. Yes, very hard one. 4 stars I will give, but this one will be number 4930. 4930. And for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve, or more. We'll see if this a really 4 stars. The publisher need to switch those 2 puzzles because that one is a 4 stars. All right, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos, 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 4 sevens. So the sevens. Okay. 4 eights and 1 9. So the sevens and the eights are in majority. Let me see if I can start with the 7. Let me see. No, I cannot start with the 7. 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. No. About the 8 8 8. No. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Well, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the third column, no need 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. And now I cannot continue with 8. Yeah. 8 8 8 8. Now I can switch back to the 7 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 7 7 7. Now I cannot continue with the 7. Okay, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 2. 1 2 3 4 9. No 4. No 4 5. No 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5 7 9. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 7 and the 9. 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. Do we have all the 7s? And nope. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Wow. 1, 1, 2, 6. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row. So no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Oh, well, not true. Well, 5, 5, 5, 5. So here should be the 5, okay. Let me think. 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 4. We have a pair. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. Sorry, in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this row is the number 4 in this row. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 goes together in this row with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Okay. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Here can it be 2? No 2. We have a pair again. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. Well, here can be a 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. Here we have a 2 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 5 in that box. So the 2 and a 5 goes in these 3 boxes, 2 and a 5. But we see another 2 and a 5 in the first row, so no 2 and a 5 in that box. So the 2 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes, okay. Alright. 2 and a 5. So the 1, the 9, and the 3. No. 3, the 1 is missing. 3. Yeah. 9 should be here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 169, 169. And look, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. The 1 and the 6 are left. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. So we have a 9 here. 6 should be there. And the 4 is also missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the row, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see here 4 in this column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. And we have a pair, 4 and a 9 in this column, 4 and a 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. One box left in this row for number 1. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 3. 6, 2 and a 3. Okay, 6 should be here. And the 1, I need a 1. 1, 1, okay. 1, 2, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 2, 2. 8, 8. How about the 9 here? 9, 2, 5. 6, 6, 6 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the missing numbers of 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this column, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be only here or there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, the only box left for the 6 should be there. So now, 3 missing numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 2, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, and the 3 are missing. 1, 2, 3. Well. These two numbers should be the 1 and the 3. Oh, 2 numbers left. Here we have 2 and a 5. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with 1. How about these two? Should be 2 and the 3 are missing. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be 3. 4 and a 9, okay. We have a pair. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 3 and the 6, the other pair in this big square, other numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. A 1 box left in this last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Yeah. This one is a little bit easier than the previous one. 1, 2 is missing. Yeah. 2 is missing in this big square. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and then 9. So the other 2 numbers in the second column are the numbers 8, 1, 2, 3, and the 4. 8 and the 4. That means in this first row, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 4 and a 6, so 1 number left in the first row for number 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, 3, yes. A lot of pairs, a lot of pairs. Yeah, a lot of pairs. Okay, I'm thinking. 8, the 3 is also missing here. 3 and 9 is missing. Well, in this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair should be in this big square, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 8 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, and this box should be 6. 1 box left in this column for the number. Yeah. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we've 6 and a 4. Overlook this 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be 9. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Cannot believe this. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. So the previous Sudoku has 1 digit more than this one. And this one has 24. 24 digits. Okay. But it's easier than the previous Sudoku, so well, this one is a tough one. Give this a 4 stars. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.